Anger is a natural emotion that everyone experiences at some point in their lives. It is characterized by feelings of frustration, hostility, or resentment in response to a perceived wrong or threat. Understanding anger is crucial for managing it effectively. Anger is an intense emotional state involving a strong response to perceived provocation or threat. It can manifest physically through increased heart rate and elevated blood pressure. Recognizing the physiological signs of anger helps in early intervention. Anger is typically triggered by external or internal stimuli that an individual perceives as threatening or unjust. These triggers can vary from person to person based on personal experiences and expectations. Understanding these triggers is key to managing anger. Common triggers for anger include stress, frustration, injustice, and personal boundaries being violated. These triggers can lead to feelings of resentment and hostility if not addressed. Identifying these triggers is the first step in controlling anger. Recognizing trigger factors involves being aware of situations, people, or events that consistently provoke anger. This awareness helps in preparing strategies to manage anger when these triggers are encountered. Self-reflection is essential for identifying personal triggers. Avoiding trigger factors can involve changing environments, setting boundaries, or limiting interactions with people who provoke anger. This proactive approach helps reduce the frequency of anger episodes. It requires discipline and a commitment to personal well-being. Taking control of your life involves setting goals and strategies for managing anger. This includes developing emotional regulation skills and practicing mindfulness. By taking control, individuals can reduce the impact of anger on their lives. Self-awareness is crucial for understanding personal triggers and patterns of anger. It involves recognizing how anger manifests physically and emotionally. Developing self-awareness helps in anticipating and managing anger more effectively. Unmanaged anger can have negative impacts on physical and mental health, including increased blood pressure and stress levels. Chronic anger can lead to cardiovascular issues and mental health disorders. Managing anger is essential for maintaining overall well-being. Effective strategies for managing anger include deep breathing, physical exercise, and cognitive restructuring. These techniques help reduce stress and improve emotional regulation. Regular practice enhances their effectiveness. Deep breathing is a simple yet effective technique for calming the body and mind during anger episodes. It involves taking slow, controlled breaths to reduce physiological arousal. Regular practice of deep breathing can improve emotional regulation. Regular physical exercise is a powerful tool for managing anger. It helps reduce stress and tension by releasing endorphins, which improve mood and reduce irritability. Exercise should be incorporated into daily routines for optimal benefits. Cognitive restructuring involves changing negative thought patterns that contribute to anger. It helps individuals view situations more objectively and manage their emotions more effectively. This technique requires practice and patience to master. Mindfulness and meditation are practices that enhance self-awareness and emotional regulation. They help individuals stay present and manage anger more effectively by reducing stress and improving focus. Regular practice is recommended for optimal benefits. Grounding techniques involve focusing on the present moment to reduce feelings of anger. They help individuals detach from negative thoughts and emotions by engaging with their surroundings. Grounding can be done through sensory exercises or mindfulness. Effective communication is key to managing anger in relationships. It involves expressing feelings clearly and listening actively to others. Good communication skills can prevent misunderstandings that lead to anger. Setting boundaries is essential for protecting personal space and reducing triggers for anger. It involves clearly communicating limits to others and maintaining them consistently. Healthy boundaries promote respect and reduce conflict. Seeking support from friends, family, or professionals can provide valuable insights and strategies for managing anger. Support networks offer emotional support and practical advice during challenging times. They can help individuals stay motivated to manage their anger. Professional help, such as therapy or counseling, can be beneficial for individuals struggling with anger management. Therapists provide personalized strategies and support to help manage anger effectively. They can address underlying issues contributing to anger. Anger management courses offer structured programs to learn and practice anger management techniques. These courses provide a supportive environment to understand and manage anger. They are beneficial for those who need guidance and accountability. Forgiveness is an important aspect of managing anger. It involves letting go of resentment and negative emotions associated with past hurts. Forgiveness can help reduce anger by releasing emotional burdens. Practicing empathy involves understanding and respecting the perspectives of others. It helps reduce conflict by fostering a sense of connection and understanding. Empathy can prevent misunderstandings that lead to anger. Building resilience involves developing coping strategies to deal with stress and adversity. It helps individuals manage anger by improving their ability to handle challenging situations. Resilience can be developed through practice and experience. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular sleep, is crucial for managing anger. A healthy body supports better emotional regulation and reduces irritability. Prioritizing health can improve overall well-being. Avoiding substance abuse is important for managing anger. Substances can impair judgment and exacerbate anger issues. Staying sober helps maintain emotional control and reduces the risk of aggressive behavior. Social media can sometimes trigger anger through exposure to provocative content or unfair comparisons. Limiting social media use or taking breaks can help reduce these triggers. Being mindful of social media's impact is essential for managing anger. Engaging in hobbies can provide a healthy outlet for emotions and reduce stress. Hobbies help distract from triggers and improve mood by promoting relaxation and enjoyment. They should be incorporated into daily routines for stress relief. Effective time management can reduce stress and feelings of overwhelm, which are common triggers for anger. Prioritizing tasks and setting realistic goals helps manage expectations and reduce frustration. Good time management improves overall productivity and well-being. Learning to let go of negative emotions and past grievances is essential for managing anger. Holding on to resentment can fuel ongoing anger and prevent healing. Letting go involves forgiveness and moving forward. Developing patience involves understanding that change takes time and that immediate results are not always possible. Practicing patience helps reduce frustration and anger by promoting a more realistic outlook. It involves setting achievable goals and celebrating small successes. Humor can be a powerful tool for managing anger. It helps shift perspectives and reduce tension by providing a lighter view of situations. Using humor appropriately can diffuse anger and improve mood. Creating a supportive environment involves surrounding yourself with positive influences and people who encourage healthy behaviors. This environment can help reduce triggers for anger and provide emotional support during challenging times. It fosters a sense of belonging and well-being. Understanding the different types of anger, such as hasty, settled, or dispositional anger, can help individuals manage their emotions more effectively. Each type requires a tailored approach to manage and resolve. Recognizing these types enhances self-awareness. Managing dispositional anger involves addressing underlying personality traits or tendencies that contribute to anger. It requires developing emotional regulation skills and practicing mindfulness to manage irritability and frustration. Professional help may be necessary for persistent issues. Coping with frustration involves recognizing when situations are beyond control and learning to accept them. It involves developing strategies to manage feelings of helplessness and anger. Practicing acceptance and letting go can reduce frustration. Dealing with perceived injustice can trigger strong feelings of anger. Managing this anger involves addressing the issue constructively, such as through advocacy or support for change. Channeling anger into positive action can be empowering. Practicing self-compassion involves treating oneself with kindness and understanding, especially during episodes of anger. It helps reduce self-criticism and promotes emotional healing. Self-compassion is essential for maintaining emotional well-being. Building emotional intelligence involves developing skills to recognize and manage emotions effectively. It enhances self-awareness, and improves relationships by promoting empathy and effective communication. Emotional intelligence is crucial for managing anger. Engaging in community activities can provide a sense of purpose and belonging, which can help reduce feelings of anger and isolation. Community involvement promotes social connections and emotional support. It can be a healthy outlet for emotions and energy. Maintaining progress in anger management involves consistent practice and self-reflection. It requires setting realistic goals and celebrating small achievements along the way. Regularly assessing progress helps identify areas for improvement and reinforces positive changes. Do not miss any valuable personality development video by Dr. Sonia. Please click subscribe and also click the bell icon and choose all to complete subscription. Your life will be transformed by these videos.